Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change the domain name of the same website in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And here you will see a list of the available websites on your Hostinger account. And next to the website that you want to change the domain name for, click on these three dots. Select Change Domain from this list. You will see this window pops up. Changing your current domain to a new one means your free email plan will be reset and any linked mailboxes will be deleted. Also, any associated subdomains will be removed, but files won't be affected. Also, existing website backups will be lost and can't be restored. Check this box next to I understand that email, subdomains, and backups linked to the current domain will be lost. Click on Change. Here you can fill in the domain name the new domain name that you want to connect to the same or to your website. And you can also use a temporary domain from Hostinger, which is free. Here, let's say that I changed my domain from, for example, benstutorial.com to, let's say, benswebsite.com. Just fill it here, benswebsite.com. You will see this, you will see it here. Do you own this domain? Yes, click on use it. Click on next. Domain added to your site. Click on continue. Here your domain name, or as you see my new domain name requires a little bit of time to start showing here. You can refresh this page to check if it is added or if it started showing up in your list. Here, just be patient. It can be a few minutes to appear here. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. As you see, this is it. My website was first using benstutorial.com and now it changed to benswebsite.com. Here, if this new domain name does not point to Hostinger hosting, you need to go to where your new domain is registered. For example, let's say that this Ben's website or this new domain is registered on Hostinger. Just go to domains, then next to your domain name click on manage, then go to name servers and click on change name servers, change again, and here fill in the Hostinger name servers, which are those two ones, ns1.dns-parking.com. Same or not the same thing. Here it is ns2 instead of 1.dns-parking.com. Click on save. Let's go back to the website's page. And this way you point your new domain to Hostinger. And this is how to change the domain name of the same website in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.